So here's my diesel setup, diesel heater with the tent. You can hear the pump, it's starting now. You can see, I think you can see the smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe. It's starting to crank up. Then here's the tube going into the tent. There's the battery. I got one of those lithium batteries to power the unit. And here's the inside of the inflatable tent. It did rain, it leaked a little bit, so I got to do a little waterproofing on it. No big deal. It was a cheap tent, 250 bucks. I don't know if you can hear it now. Hear that exhaust going now? It's going faster. And let's see if it's putting out heat now. No, it's still cold, but it's still going. Uses 1 gallon of diesel, and that 1 gallon will last you a good 14 to 16 hours. It can last a little longer if you use it on low. But yeah, you can hear she's cranking up more. And again, you can hear the exhaust pipe. These diesel heaters are cheap. I paid $116 for it. And the air coming out of the hose here, the vent, it'll put out anywhere from 180 degrees to 240 degrees on full blast. So you know you're going to be nice and toasty. Okay, now we're getting warm air coming out of the vent. Just warm. It's not full hot yet. There's my pain in the ass dog over there. I know you know him. But yeah, you can hear it now. Yeah, she's cranking now. I don't know if you can hear the pump. It's pumping fast now. Again, the faster the pump pumps diesel through the system, the hotter the air will come out of this vent. Oh yeah, now it's coming out at a nice temperature. So anyways, there you have it. My diesel heater set up, going into the tent, and then you just zip it down. So right over here, you zip it all the way till here, and then you can leave the vent in. And there's my lithium battery powering the unit. And here are the bladders that I was telling you about. See? Just like that, they inflate. And then you just peg your corners down. Oh yeah, I can feel that heat by my legs now. So yeah, it's got 6 windows, 2 doors, and there you have it. And I'll talk to you later.